Hi, I'm Tracy.
And I'm Tom.
Welcome to
Sailing Bucket List.
We're retired people from St. Louis, Missouri, and we're sitting here on our sailboat. We are currently not wearing our life jackets because our boat is in winter storage at this moment. The mast isn't even on it.
Right, we're in Charlevoix, Michigan. It's been in storage all winter, and we're getting ready in about 2 weeks to put her in the water.
Today you're in for a real treat.
We're going to take a closer look at a boat tour of Bucket List, a sea trial with the previous owner, and a very formal renaming ceremony.
Some people say the happiest moments in a boat owner's life are the day they buy the boat and the day they sell the boat. We're not sure about the second one, but we're sure of the first one. Looking at a video tour of our new home. This is a Catalina 320 sailboat that we just bought a week ago. Tom is boarding the boat and standing on the swim platform. The swim platform is very cool. It has a shower on the back so that if you're swimming in salt water, you can go in and take a shower when you're finished. Showing you the outside first. It's amazing to us. We moved from a 26-foot Hunter to a 32-foot Catalina, and we have so much more space, but still our stuff fills it up. So here's the bow of the boat, anchor locker with a windlass. The jib is on a roller furler, as you can see. Look here at the main. The main furls into the mast. We have a tweener, a Dodger, and a Bimini to keep us out of the sun. I'm going to step on board.
Mention the winches.
Mention the winches. Oh yeah, self-tailing winches, very cool.
4 of them.
4 self-tailing winches. Nice table, big cozy cockpit, plenty of rooms for guests. Steering wheel folds in at the sides so you can get past it easily. This is the equipment that you will have standing at the wheel for navigation. On the top there will be an iPad. So this is the view you would have standing at the wheel, looking at the front windshield of the Dodger.
Bow thruster.
Oh, bow thruster. Thank you, Tom.
Right here, right there. There's.
Okay, this is the add-on bow thruster, which helps you primarily coming in and out of a slip. Totally awesome. Okay, from here you can see very cool doors that go into the cabin. A lot of our friends own trawlers. They think that we sailboaters live in the basement. That's because we walk down steps, in this case 5 steps, to get into our boat. But we like it that way. This is the main salon. On the left side is one settee where you can sit and watch TV, DVDs, or a guest could sleep there. On the other side is another settee with a custom-made table which was made for this boat specifically. A different table can be put in there and dropped so that 2 people could sleep there. It get kind of crowded though. Walking forward, this is the V-berth. We're using it for storage right now, but we will get all this stuff situated. This is the most likely place for guests. Piece of our favorite artwork will be displayed on the wall there. That's an image of Beaver Island, one of our favorite places. You can see the steps I just came down. Underneath those steps with very good access is a 30 horsepower inboard diesel 3-cylinder Yanmar engine. On the left side here is our head. It's very exciting. No more porta potty. We now have a marine head with a holding tank that holds 15 gallons. Count them, 15 gallons. The sink is also cool. The sink has hot and cold running water. The faucet on that sink lifts up so it can be used as a shower head. The whole room then becomes a shower. Okay, across from the head is our kitchen, also called a galley. 2-burner stove, gimbaled with an oven. Refrigerator freezer over here on the side. Just in front of the Raisin Bran boxes is a deep freeze. Above the stove is a microwave, several cabinets, a double bowl sink. Faucet again is hot and cold running water. In the background there, you can see the nav station and the electrical circuitry. I forget what that's called. If you swing around past the steps, this is where we will sleep. Way more space than we're used to. A nice rectangular mattress, maybe 5 inches deep, full size, not quite a queen size. Lots of headroom for us. We like it. You can also see the amount of light that we have in this boat is just awesome. Behind the door to our berth is a hanging closet and some drawers. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed the tour.
On taking possession of Bucket List, the previous owner, Tracy, and I took her out for a sea trial. It was a really great experience sailing in our new boat.
Now the real pain in this marina, we have to go through a little lot, not a big lot. It's still a pain in the ass.
What's the lowest water you'll see?
Oh, probably 5.5.
Well, 5.5 now. That's what, about 6 inches?
About a foot.
Okay.
More than a foot.
Oh, that's right. We're 4'4". Okay. 4'3".
Is that 4.3 or 4 1/3?
4 feet.
Oh, okay.
Monday, January 16th.
Can you see okay with me standing here?
We're on our potential new boat. Patrick, the owner, is showing us the ropes.
Naming ceremony for our new boat. Take it away, Tom.
This is official. Almighty and great ruler of the seas and oceans, to whom all ships and we who venture upon your vast domain are required to pay homage, implore you in graciousness to expunge for all time from your records and recollections the name Misjudged III, as proof thereof, we submit this ingot bearing her name to be corrupted through your power and forever be purged from the sea. So I am now,
And why are you using cardboard, sir?
because it's recyclable.
Oh, Neptune likes biodegradable, huh?
Biodegradable. So, toss it away. Now, I'm going to pour, I believe it says from east to west. Very good.
Oh, what a waste of good
Cabernet
wine.
Sauvignon, which could also be virgin's blood, but never mind, that's all right. Okay,
We don't know any virgins.
whatever. Okay, now,
Please don't drop that iPad in the water.
okay. Almighty and great ruler of the sea and oceans, to whom all ships and we who venture upon your vast domain are required to pay homage, implore you in your graciousness to take up unto your records and recollections this worthy vessel, hereafter and for all time known as Bucket List. We hope you've enjoyed this video. We feel the Bucket List is the perfect boat for us, and we would love to hear your comments on the perfect boat for you.